Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi Kurana and I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform, that is ZIIEI. ZIIEI stands for Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today, I am going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also I am going to talk about various learning processes with the students in a very fun and interactive way. Now, we are going to cover the chapter named as One or More. This chapter is of class 3. It is from the UP board. Chapter number is 10 and the subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is homework. The innovation is that through this idea, homework, we try to connect with the topic taught in the classroom with immediate environment through observation and hands-on experience. Today we are going to cover the chapter One or More using the idea homework. We are going to cover the concept of singular and plural words. So the summary of the whole idea is that we are going to revise the above mentioned concept with hands-on experience. Activity that we need to do is we need to revise the concept of singular and plural. Conduct this activity by asking the students to do the following. Seek the help from your parents while performing the activity, so that students will develop gratitude towards their parents and develop interpersonal skills. Instruction of the following things can be given to the students. Carefully observe your house. State other things which you can see in the house. Name the object and the total number of objects you can see, and if they are singular or plural, just say that. For example, in my house there are 10 pencils, so I am going to write 10 pencils. It is a plural, and the amount of pencils. So first of all, ask the students name the objects that you can see in single numbers, accept all the responses. Then also ask the students to name the objects which are in plural, so or in the group, accept all the responses. Conclude by saying the students that you can find various objects and can also classify them in singular or plural. The following idea has certain learning outcomes. First is the child will be able to understand the simple instructions and statements given by the teacher. Second, the students will be able to understand the difference between singular and plural. The child will be able to read and write simple English words and use words like this, that, those, etc. The child will be able to understand the terms of different actions in English. The child will be able to use and practice English in their daily life. The child will be able to learn about new words and also about singular and plural. The child will be able to look for the answers and can write them down in their notebook. The following idea has certain notes to be taken. Homework needs to be an experiential and hands-on experience for the child. Being an experiential activity, the primary thing that has to be given is the child experience. The duration of this activity can be changed according to the role, according to the amount of class in amount of students in the classroom. And the core life skill that can be included are critical thinking and interpersonal skills. The values that can be touched upon are patience and gratitude towards the family members. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page on Facebook.